Your car is hiding at least 10 features you've never used, some that save you money, and one that gets you back on the road when you're stranded. Let's get straight into them, counting down from 10. Number 10. The little black dots on your windshield. You've assumed they're decoration. They're not. That band is called the frit, baked on ceramic that shields the glue holding your windshield in from the sun, because UV light slowly destroys that adhesive, and that adhesive is what keeps the glass from popping out in a crash. So next time someone replaces your windshield, look at those dots. If the pattern looks off, that's the sign of a cheap aftermarket job. Number 9. Heated side mirrors you already have and never turn on. On a frosty morning, most people scrape their mirrors by hand. Stop. On most cars, the heated mirrors are wired to the same button as your rear window defroster, the one with 3 wavy lines. Press it, and while the back glass clears, both side mirrors heat up and melt the frost too. Nobody knows because the mirror symbol doesn't light up when it's working. One button, 3 sheets of glass cleared, 0 scraping. Number 8. Follow me home headlights. You shut off the car in a dark driveway and have to walk to your door in the pitch black. Your car can light the way. Many makes, including Toyota, VW, Audi, Land Rover, and more, keep the headlights on for 30 seconds to a couple of minutes after you switch off. On a lot of them, you trigger it by pulling the headlight stalk toward you as you leave. Dig into your light settings and switch it on. Number 7. The cabin air filter you're overpaying to replace. If your car smells musty when the AC kicks on, this is for you. Right behind your glove box sits a filter. Every bit of cabin air passes through. Drop the glove box off its stops and swap it yourself in 10 minutes with 0 tools. It's $15 to $20 at a parts store. A dealer charges $50 or more for the same 10-minute job. Do it once and you'll never pay for it again. Number 6. Your car is its own diagnostic computer, and a $20 tool unlocks it. The check engine light comes on and you picture a fee just to be told what's wrong. Every car since 1996 has a port under the dash near the steering column. A code reader, $15 to $25, pulls the exact code the shop charges to read. Now you walk in already knowing, instead of hoping they're honest. Now before the top 5, one quick thing, and it's the one people always get wrong, so let me save you from it. You've probably heard you can rip out your headrest and smash a window with the posts. Don't count on it. It's a myth. Most modern headrests don't pull out easily. The posts are blunt, and in testing, it took a firefighter 8 hard hits to break the glass that way. Want a way out? Spend a few dollars on a real spring-loaded window punch and keep it in your door pocket. That's the version that actually works. Quick one before the top 5, tell me something below. Of everything so far, which did you already know, and which made you go, wait, what? Drop it in the comments, and if there's a hidden feature in your car I haven't mentioned, name your make and model so other people can go check theirs. And if even one of these just saved you a dealer trip, that's the whole point of this channel. Subscribe and hit the bell, and I'll keep pulling back the curtain on the car you already own. Because next, I'm going further. 5 car hacks that sound fake but genuinely work. The kind of thing you won't believe until you try it in your own driveway. That one's coming. And a couple of them feel like cheating. Number 5. Clearing a fogged windshield in seconds instead of minutes. Most people crank the heat and wait. That's backwards. Instead, AC on, defrost on. And this is the key: recirculation off. Fog is moisture from your breath condensing on cold glass. The AC dries the air. Defrost aims it at the windshield, and recirculation off pulls in drier outside air instead of churning the same damp air. It feels wrong the first time, then works so fast you'll never crank the heat again. Number 4. The tire pressure number almost everyone reads off the wrong place. That number on the tire's side isn't yours. It's the tire's maximum. And inflating to it gives you a hard ride, less grip, and worn tires. The number you want is on a sticker inside your driver's door jamb, calculated for your car. Check the door, not the tire. A $1 habit that makes your tires last longer and your car safer. Number 3. The hidden metal key inside your fob. The fob's dead. The buttons do nothing. So you assume you're locked out. you're not. Nearly every modern fob hides a real metal key, released by a small latch on the side. Slide it, the blade pops out, and it unlocks your driver's door the old way. The keyhole often hides under a cap on the door handle. Find that latch tonight, because the day you need it, you'll be glad you knew. Number 2. How to start that car with a completely dead fob. This is the one that saves you when you'd swear you're stranded. Push-button cars won't start on a dead fob, right? Wrong. Inside the fob is a chip that needs no battery, and your car has a hidden reader for it. Press the brake, hold the fob flat against the start button, logo side touching, and press. The car energizes the chip through the button and fires right up. A dead fob is not a dead end. And number 1, the feature's so simple you'll be annoyed no one told you. That little arrow next to the gas pump symbol has been there the whole time, and it tells you exactly which side your fuel door is on. Points left, your cap's on the left. Points right, it's on the right. No more awkward shuffle at the pump in a rental. A Ford designer added it in 1989, and only about 1 in 10 drivers know it's there. Now you're one of them. So that's 10 features hiding in plain sight. And here's the thing, none are broken, none are expensive, and everyone was built in on purpose. The car companies just never told you, because a driver who knows their own car needs the dealer a little less. The more you know about the machine you own, the less anyone can charge you for it. Go find a few tonight. You paid for all of it, you might as well use it. And if knowing your car this well got you thinking about which cars are actually worth owning, that's the video on your screen right now. The only 5 brands that still last a lifetime, with the exact engines and years to hunt for. Watch it before your next purchase. Thanks for being part of the Blind Spot family. Stay dangerous, and I'll see you next time.